Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to show your activity on Discord. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to let your friends know what you're doing right now. So, you want to let your friends know what activity you're doing. Whether it's playing Minecraft, Roblox, other games, or listening to music on Spotify or any other music streaming service, or basically just any activity in general, then you're in the right video. I'm gonna be teaching you how to do these in very simple steps. So now that I'm in Discord, you're gonna want to go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile. Now that you're here, just go ahead and find privacy and safety. And you're gonna want to scroll down, and you're gonna see this activity status. Display current activity as a status message. Discord will automatically update your status if you're attending a public stage. So go ahead and have this switch on, and that's pretty much it. And if you want them to know what you're doing while you're like away but you're still using your mobile but you're not using Discord, you're gonna want to tap on idle. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.